Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here today. Today, we're going to be taking some thrifted items and creating a beautiful Christmas tablescape. We're going to start off with these plastic uh, t napkin rings that I found at the bins one day. And this is going to be quick and simple. I've got some plaid ribbon here and my hot glue gun, and we're simply just going to wrap the ribbon around the napkin ring. Next, I have these red chargers. I have a total of six of them, and I'm gonna start. I was gonna take them outside and spray paint them, but for the last 3 days when I was doing this project, it had been raining, and I mean cold rain, so I couldn't take it outside. So I've got my Waverly chalk paint in the color Plaster, and I mixed in some baking soda, and I'm gonna give it two coats of paint with the baking soda and then go in with one coat of just paint and let that dry completely. I then came in with some DIY's Big Top, and I just sealed in that chalk paint. I used my Cricut Maker to create a stencil of holly leaves and berries to go around the outer rim of the charger. Now, my Cricut Maker wouldn't cut the size of circle I needed, so I had to like piece some things together, some vinyl together to make it work. And I tried to stick it several times, but then I decided I was going to cut it in half, and that would help me get it lined up a little better. And actually, I ended up cutting it a little more just in pieces to help it lay um, the way I wanted to. Sorry. Now that I got my vinyl stencil exactly where I want it, I'm going in with these fine detail brushes because these little berries are really small. And to do the berries, I'm doing the Dixie Belle chalk paint in the rustic red. And then I'm going to go in with the briar patch to do our holly leaves. Once the holly leaves and berries were dry, I removed my vinyl stencils from the charger and I gave it another coat of that DIY's Big Top. After the Big Top had dried for, I think I let it sit overnight, but the next morning I got up and I'm using the antique gold rubbing buff, and I'm just going around the rim of the charger. And here's how these cute little thrifted items turned out. It created the perfect tablescape for me and my family. I'm just loving the plaid this year. Just about everything on this table is thrifted. I have to say the only thing that I didn't thrift was the plaid ribbon. It is from Hobby Lobby. But one of my favorite thrift finds on this table is the brass candlesticks. I found a whole set one day at the bins and I use them all the time. The candles are even thrifted also. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. This will be the last Christmas thrift video. After this, I'm going to go back to regular thrift lips, and I'll see you next time. Bye.